Yo, ingane yozalwa manje lapha kaMseleko ingayenziwa i-paternity test.
Lo mntwana is the same girl behlangana naye ekhulelwe nje. Ngokwazi kwami uMakhumalo wayenengane engasiyona eyababa uMseleko.
Uyangilahla, ungilahla number 5 and then come to me and say awukazi ungilahle. Mthombeni, continue with into yenzayo nomkakho. Just nje ungangifaki mina.
Oh, the entitlement Umacele Ezingayo, guys, is so very bad. And it's kinda annoying. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Umacele Nomakhumalo. The fight between the two is about Usamge Kwela and a pregnancy. Okay, fine. It's wrong for Umakhumalo akhuluma ukuthi kumele kwenziwe i-paternity test ngomntwana kaMakhwela, and for the way uMacele bekakhuluma ngakhona, it was wrong for yena ukuthi expose indaba zakaMakhumalo while uMakhumalo didn't speak for herself. And we all thought uMakhumalo akanamntwana, but uMacele recently revealed ukuthi uMakhumalo has a child and umntana khona asumntana kaMseleko. I highly believe ukuthi indaba okumele ziba private lezo uMakhumalo azikhulumele yena, asho ukuthi nginengane ngiyakwazi ukuzala and all. Hhayi ukuthi uMacele amane afike azokhuluma yena athi unengane mos yena engasiya kaMseleko. That's why ahamba efuna ama-paternity test kubantwana babantu. That's what uMacele was allegedly saying. And i-beef kaMacele noMakhumalo started when uMakhumalo wanted uLwandle to be part of yasemndenini, sho ukuthi I think bekafuna bashire abantwana. And then uMacele started hating uMakhumalo from there, ukuthi why kubo bonke abantwana achoose ukuthi abakhe kumele basherwe. And then the beef started from there, and manje sengathi i-worse. And okunye ukuthi uMusa, guys, uMusa uyexabanisa abafazi. UMusa uyexabanisa abafazi, ukufika kwakaMakhwela nje kulo kwakhoze enye ivuruvuru nje esingayazi. Kanti sibona ukuthi lapha kazi kulo mndeni kuyaliwa. Kona i-reality show vele. We don't know ukuthi kuya-actwa or what, but then abantu basebacala sebakhala, guys. Cha, akukho mnandi. Akukho mnandi. Futhi uMakhumalo nje yena sekayalahlwa nokulahlwa. I think uMakhumalo ulwajwayeza uMusa into yokuthi yena uhlezi esmayila, uhlezi avuma yonke into uMusa ayishoyo. And now uMusa sekayayijika indaba yakhona uthatha advantage, and uMakhumalo sekayakwata. Kona it's wrong ukuthi amkhalise amlahle and do all these things, but hey, ngasuka kakhulu manje. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.